Today, we're diving into an exciting face-off between two top water filter brands. In one corner, we have the Frizzlife PD600, and in the other, the Waterdrop G3P600. Let's find out which one delivers the best value for your money. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Round number 1, Contamination Removal. Both the Frizzlife PD600 and the Waterdrop G3P600 are like knights in shining armor, dedicated to cleansing your water. The Frizzlife sink water filters utilize a 7-stage filtration process that effectively banishes a wide array of contaminants such as lead, chlorine, and even arsenic and nitrates from your tap water. Cherry on the top, it remineralizes your water too. Meanwhile, the Waterdrop G3P600 uses a 8-stage filtration process that's equally impressive. It's on a mission to remove impurities from water, including chlorine, lead, PFAS, and other harmful contaminants. So, in the battle against contaminants, we have a tie. Both filters are well equipped to provide you with cleaner, safer drinking water. Round number 2, Water Drain Ratio. The Frizzlife PD600 enters the ring with a 1:5:1 ratio, which means for every gallon of clean water produced, 1.5 gallons of wastewater is sent down the drain. In the opposite corner, we have the Waterdrop G3P600, boasting a slightly better water drain ratio of 1:2. This translates to 1 gallon of wastewater going down the drain for every 2 gallons of clean water produced. Hence, Waterdrop G3P600 shines in this category, delivering water-saving performance and taking home the victory. Round number 3, Water Flow Rate. Speed matters, right? In this round, the Frizzlife PD600 offers a speedy water flow rate of 0.42 gallons per minute. It's ideal for larger households and those who need water in a hurry. And in the opposite corner, the Waterdrop G3P600 brings its A-game with flow rate of 600 gallons per day. Imagine this, it can fill an 8 ounces cup with water in a mere 8 seconds. That's pretty impressive. But even Frizzlife filter can fill a 330 milliliters cup in 10 seconds. So we can see a tie here. Round number 4, Installation and Maintenance. The compact design of the Waterdrop G3P600 filter allows for easy under-sink installation, which is a bonus if you're looking to free up valuable counter space. You get a smart screen faucet to know when your filters need changing, and when it's time, you have to just twist and turn. But that's the same with Frizzlife. It also features a smart display panel and twist and turn filter replacement. Again, the PD600's tankless and stylish design ensures it doesn't hog much space under your kitchen sink. So here's tie again. The fight is getting pretty close. Round number 5, Certifications and Customer Support. Waterdrop secures its position as a leader with its independent IAPMO testing against NSF 58 and 372 certifications for lead and other nasty stuff. On the other side of the ring, Frizzlife doesn't show any certifications in their official website. In terms of customer support, Waterdrop takes the crown as user reviews rave about their exceptional service, even though Frizzlife customer support is impressive too. Waterdrop wins in this round. So, drumroll, please. The verdict is in Waterdrop G3P600 is better with its IAPMO-tested contamination removal and better customer support. But Frizzlife is equally good with high flow rate, easy installation, and effective filtration. So check the links in the description, compare prices and everything, and decide for yourself. And don't forget to like and share this video if you found it useful. We'll meet again for another round of water filter comparisons.